Students at the University of North Florida in Jacksonville improve the way the world works. Hi, I'm Danielle Williams, a student here at UNF, and we have engineering students that developed a robotic assembly line to help out local manufacturers. Check it out.
Well, this machine is called the Narcotics Identification Kit assembly line machine, and it's trying to assemble a kit that police officers in the field can use to identify drugs.
It has a sleeve that has 3 cylinders in it, and they're all attached. And this machine, the pistons fire the ampules that have chemicals in it into the cylinders, which assembles a kit for the officers in the field to go use. So if they find some kind of substance, a powder, and they don't know what it is and they got to find out, they'll pull out their little kit that this machine assembled, crack one of the cylinders, pour the dust or the chemical in there, and it change their color. And then they go to a little, I guess, chart with different colors, crack more of the cylinders, and when the final color is done, they'll see what kind of chemical it is and what kind of drug it is.
This is a project that UNF is in partnership with the Unf Robotics Corporation, and students have the chance to participate. The engineering department is actually conducting interviews on a regular basis, maybe every semester, every year, to have students involved in those projects. So that's how I got into that.
Some of the benefits we actually had with our partnership with UNF, and it's a twofold benefit. For one, it actually helps the students to look at a real-world situation, a lot of the problems involved, and we worked very closely with them so they could see from a business standpoint some of the limitations or some of the other areas that we have requirements in. For us, it was a great experience. We could actually sit down with the students. It helped us spell out exactly what we were looking for, open our eyes to some different possibilities. And potentially in the long run, it'll be a machine that will help us out, like I said, on a repetitive process.
You learn a lot here. So, I mean, working with like real stuff, hands-on experience, you don't get that anywhere else. It is all student-based, and all of our ideas, and like me, Nick, and some other students that already graduated have changed some of the ideas and improved it to make it work.
They have come a long way from when they first started. We actually set them up with some parameters in terms of the quality that we wanted and the number of pieces per second. We wanted a piece finished every 3 seconds. And we went through about 3 or 4 different mechanical designs in general and finalized on this one, and it seemed to fit all the bills, and they've actually exceeded what we initially set up as a piece every 3 seconds. So they did a great job, and it was a good process for everybody.
I'm not sure whether there are a lot of colleges in the area or even in the country that are involved in such a unique thing. So it's a unique experience for UNF and for its students.
Hopefully someday the students that have worked on this, we could potentially identify people that have a niche for us, and it could be potential hires down the road. And hopefully we'll work on some other projects in the future.
As you can see, UNF students develop solutions to real-world problems. If you want to see how you can be a part of it all, visit unf.edu.